Want your collection page to do more than just list products? In this tutorial, we'll show you how to add and customize the product grid in the Hyper theme. Let's dive in. From your Shopify admin, go to Online Store Themes, then click Customize on the Hyper theme. In the theme editor, navigate to your collection pages from the drop-down at the top. Here, look for the Product Grid section in the left sidebar. Inside the section settings, you will be able to set the section container to full width or fixed width for desktop. Choose a color scheme for the section. You can update your palette anytime in theme settings. Control the layout, decide how many products appear per page, how many columns show on desktop, and set the gaps between rows and columns. For desktop, 3 to 4 products per row is a safe choice. You can also set up infinite scroll or pagination depending on your catalog size. For large catalogs, infinite scroll keeps shoppers engaged. For smaller collections, pagination feels more organized. You can also enable filtering and sorting for your collection page, allowing customers to find the right product faster. Without them, large catalogs can feel overwhelming and confusing. To customize filters, you can use the Shopify Search and Discovery app. Turn on sorting so shoppers can view best sellers, newest arrivals, or price order. Hyper lets you add an image card within the product list. Perfect for highlighting a promotion, a seasonal banner, or even a lifestyle photo to inspire shoppers. From the block settings, upload your image and adjust the image position to control where it appears in the grid. Choose the image ratio, square, portrait, or adapt to image, and fine-tune the overlay opacity if you want text to stand out more. Add a subheading, heading, and text, and even include a button label like Explore Now. Link it to a collection, product, or any page in your store. The product card is where shoppers make snap decisions. A strong card shows just enough information to spark interest, without clutter. To customize product cards, head into Theme Settings Product Cards. For more details, check out the links in the description below. And that's it. You've learned how to add and customize the product grid in Hyper. With the right layout, product cards, and filters, your collection page becomes more than a catalog, it becomes a sales driver. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on designing your Shopify store. Thank you for watching.